Today.
Hold on. Hold on. Jump to. No, you gotta wait.
Wait.
What's going on, guys? Tony Sanchez here with Tactical Bartender. We're gonna do a quick video today, just kind of playing around with the camp stove. We use butane fuel for it, so we're just having a quick little picnic out front. It's kind of breezy today, feels nice. So, why should I tell them what we're gonna be doing?
Today we're gonna show you how to cook on a gas one camp stove.
Perfect. You guys stay tuned. It's coming up next. Say it. Good camera shy. All right, show them how to open the box. Zaria's gonna be showing the box. She's gonna be opening it for us. Open the box for us. All right, good job. Thank you so much, helper. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye. Clear my throat. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't have a mic on right now because we're just kind of winging this outside. But little picnic real quick. But like my beautiful 2-year-old daughter just showed you guys, we did the opening of it real quick, and here we go. We've got the Gas One GS 3400P. This is an 8,000 BTU camp stove. It takes both propane and butane. So here it is set out. I'm gonna show you how to throw this in there real quick. Just open that up. We'll already pulled this out, but this right here is the adapter for propane. If you want to use the 16.4 ounce propane tanks, got that adapter right here. I'm gonna be using butane. Boom. And as you guys can see, when you turn it, there's a groove right here. So you're gonna want to line that groove up with this sort of spring lever right here. So line that up with that. Push it in the hole. You guys can see. A little closer. There's a little hole that goes in right there, where the nozzle goes. So we'll take this little notch right here, make sure it's pinned up at the lever, push that in there all the way, and then you're gonna lock it in place. And you're gonna see it pulls it, get it towards it, and that thing is in there now. So boom, close that up. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this so it's ready to take a, oh, I already locked it in, hold on. There we go. We want this to get ready. I don't know if this warning label should be on there, so I want it to burn off, so we'll probably pull that off. I guess it's fine because it's really hard to get off. So, anyways, you want to flip it this way. Flip it that way. Lock back in, closed up. Make sure it's locked. It is locked. And we're gonna get it started. You guys will see here we got the igniter. We're gonna put it on the very bottom. Let's let this wind settle down. It's blowing from this way, so we'll block with this box. And we got a fire. I know it's hard to see, but a good light. So I'll get back to you here in a second once we get the pan on. All right, I got my little makeshift wind blocker right here, the box that came in. The wind is pretty much heading southwest, so that'll block it, but we got our butter. We need butter for this stuff. So we're gonna take a nice little bit of butter, melt it on there. Get that pan nice and oiled up. Yeah. This is a little cast iron. I'll go ahead and include this cast iron pan. I got the link. It's a 10-inch. So I'll get that included in the link below in the description. Let's get that nice and oiled up. Try not to scrape up my cast iron. It's cooking. So, let's let that warm up for a second, get melted down, and we'll be right back to you. Here, as you can see, our butter's melted down. Right there. There we go. We're going old school. Throwing a couple pieces of bologna in there. Let that get nice and seared up. Cook bologna before you know how it works. You gotta cut little lines in it so it doesn't bubble up. And it might be a little too windy to be using the stove, but we're gonna run with it. We're gonna be careful. Let that bologna get nice and cooked up. Should only take about a couple minutes. Give them a good little flip. Yeah. That's some good fried bologna sandwiches right there. Got the ambulance in the background. Marsha, my little helper, you want to give me the plate?
Yep.
Hurry up. Hey, Zari, can you give me the plate?
Yeah.
The white plate? You were taking too long, baby. I need it now. Right here, baby. The white one. Zari, come here.
It's burning. It's
The
burning.
white plate. Don't drop it. Here's real quick. Burning a little bit. All right. Yeah, let's get that off. All right.
Is it burned?
Nah.
That's fine?
Yeah. Little piece of bologna right there. Here, go put it back on there. Go put it back on the counter. Be careful.
If it got burned and I smell?
All right, now we got our bread on there. Now we got our bread on there real quick. Put in one of the bolognas. Put on a piece of cheese. There we go. Put on the other piece of bread. Crank it up a little bit. I turned it down while I was getting that all prepared. Let that get cooked up. Ooh, almost lost my butter. So, let that get cooked up for a second. We'll give it a nice little flip here in a minute. Alrighty, we just gave that a little flip right there. Don't touch this, hot. So we got our one flip. We're only gonna flip these maybe one time, so we gotta be sure.
Beep, beep.
It's coming along pretty nice. Do a quick one flip. Boom. Pretty much it, guys. Just showing you how this gas one, this camp stove by gas one works real quick. So, like I said, we cooked up a couple grilled cheese sandwiches, with fried bologna, grilled cheese, whatever they have you. Actually, I'll just use this one real quick. Boom. Hey, what up, guys? Yeah, like I said, gas one, camp stove, 8,000 BTU. We use this to cook with a couple grilled cheese sandwiches and bologna, fried bologna. Apparently the butane will hold for like anywhere from 2 to 4 hours, just depending on how high you use it, or whatever. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys how that camp stove worked. We're gonna munch down on this with some Cheetos real quick and have us some lunch out here. So peace out, guys. Out here riding bikes with the kids. I'm not riding a bike, but they are. Anyway, so yeah, that was how you cook on a gas one camp stove. Obviously, we kept it simple, just fried up some bologna sandwiches just to test it. I haven't even used it yet, so it works great. Like I said, one canister of that butane fuel will last usually 2 to 4 hours, so I probably got about a good, at least probably 2 hours left in it. What we cooked was simple. I cooked it on medium. Obviously, it depends on how high you're cooking. So when I wasn't using it, like when I was getting ready to put a piece of bread on to toast it, I would put it on low just to save some heat, save some fuel. So, but I think it's important that everybody keeps a camp stove, especially if you're a prepper or you prep. Like I said, even like natural disasters, tornadoes, whatever. I mean, you never know if the power goes out for a week or even 2 or whatever. You want to make sure that, you're not gonna have a way to cook. So camp stove definitely comes in handy. Me personally, I keep the camp stove and about 12 plus 4, so 16 canisters of butane fuel. So figured out an average of about 3 hours, 16 times 3. It's about 48. So about 48 hours of cut time is what I'm keeping. So I think that'll get me through a couple weeks for sure. And we won't be using it for every meal anyways, but definitely a good thing to keep around. So it works great. We had fun with it, had a nice little picnic. Now we're enjoying this last cold front before summer hits. So it's March 30th in Texas. So this is the last cold front. This whole last week it was about 70, 75. Now it's like 50. It's windy and cold, so we're gonna take advantage of this before it starts getting hot again. But anyways, tactical bartender guys, I'm out. Hopefully you guys learned something from that. Peace.